happy on the plane.
And like you said before, Tungane, mātamua ko te hauora, o enei kaiwhawhai, o enei rangatira. Now let's take a look at the highlights. They just came in real strong.
Both boys, a lot of volume.
Literally.
It just seemed like Taylor was just kind of getting the edge in a lot of the exchanges there. But Aiden really standing up to everything. It was only a cut that stopped him. If it was up to him, he still would have pushed on to the end of the fight.
You really saw the disappointment when they made the call, but absolutely understanding. Look, the epitome of upoko pakaru.
Ana.
Our rangatahi coming through thick this evening, really inspiring, regardless of the outcome. Aiden, Taylor, me whakahihi, ka tika.
Ana.